Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to show you everything you need to know about a minimalist skincare routine. So let's get it started. The foundation of every skincare routine is cleaning and moisturizing the face, according to a review that was published in Dermatologic Clinics in January 2019. However, depending on who you ask, a minimalist skincare routine will mean something different. Compared to the review's authors, Masick and Dr. Green take an additional step. They advise beginning with these three fundamental goods. 1. Cleanser. According to Masick, seek for a mild cleanser with glycolic or salicylic acid if you have oily, acne-prone skin. Additionally, if you have sensitive skin, pick a product without alcohol. As stated by Green, products containing alcohol can irritate, sting, and burn the skin. Ethyl alcohol, denatured alcohol, alcohol denat, isopropyl alcohol, methyl alcohol or methanol, benzyl alcohol, and cetyl, sterol, cetyl, or lanolin alcohol are all examples of forms of alcohol that can be found in ingredient lists. 2. Moisturizer. With regular skin types, a mild cream ought to be effective, according to Masick. While people with dry or sensitive skin may benefit from a richer emollient basis, those with oily skin should go for a light, moisturizing moisturizer like one with hyaluronic acid. According to the AAD, ointments and creams are less irritating than lotions for persons with dry or sensitive skin. If the moisturizer is an ointment or a cream, it will likely be stated on the product label. According to DermNet NZ, the fact that creams are normally thicker than lotions and ointments don't typically contain preservatives may aid to lessen allergic responses. 3. Facial sunscreen. With an SPF of at least 30. This action is crucial and unites everything, according to Green. Early sun protection creates the foundation for beautiful skin later in life. According to the Cleveland Clinic, SPF will prevent premature skin aging as well as assist you against sunburn and skin cancer. One more observation about minimalist skincare routines. Whichever the motivations behind your desire for a less complicated skincare regimen, it is likely to be a worthwhile adjustment since it will not only save you time and money but also lessen any potential irritation that may arise from a more involved skincare regimen. 3 crucial procedures to follow are cleansing, moisturizing, and diligently applying SPF. For anti-aging issues, add a retinol, and search for cleansers, moisturizers, or products with SPF that offer dual advantages. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.